28. Junk preaching. The Apostle Paul was a blunt and plain-spoken man. He didn't spare his hearers or readers. His language is thus often colourful. We read in 2 Timothy 4:3 and 4, "For the time will come when they will not endure sound doctrine, but after their own lusts shall they heap to themselves teachers, having itching ears, and they shall turn away their ears from the truth, and shall be turned unto fables." Paul says that the church will turn to men who court popularity, men who know how to please the crowd. The demand for such men will be so great that Paul compares it to piling up goods. That's not all. When Paul says men will not endure sound doctrine, he is saying literally healthful teaching. To put it in modern terms, Paul compares crowd-pleasing preaching to junk food. They, the people, will not endure sound or healthful teaching. The word endure means to hold or to have. It'll be intolerable to them, as spinach is to some children. A spoiled child wants candy and cookies, not healthy food, and Paul says this will mark the wayward church. Such people, he says, will have itching ears. This can be rendered that they will seek teachers who will tickle their ears. They will be crowd pleasers and entertainers, not teachers. People will go to church to be entertained and pleased, not to learn. Such people will have no appetite for the truth, but will prefer fluff and nonsense. Their appetite will be for fables and myths. We are now in such a time, and we see it in every sphere. In politics, the crowd pleasers win. Men do not want the truth, and they turn to men who will tell them what they want to hear. In the church, congregations do not gravitate to the men whose teaching concentrates on sound doctrine, but rather to those who peddle man-pleasing ideas. A diet of junk food takes its toll on us. Even more so, junk preaching can kill you.